Hello students, this is the video for the chapter real numbers. In this video we are going to learn about the topic rationalize the denominator and absolute value. So how to rationalize the denominator of any fraction and how to find the absolute value or modulus of any value that we are going to learn in this video. So also we are going to solve practice set 2.4 and 2.5. So let's start. So here rationalization of the denominator, how to rationalize the denominator of any fraction. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर को rationalization करने से पहले हम लोग उसका conjugate pair find out करना चाहिए. So by using that conjugate pair we have to multiply numerator and denominator by using that conjugate pair, and after that we can find the answer. So I'll give one example. So here rationalize the denominator of, okay, so here rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 5 minus root 3. ये क्वेश्चन है, इसका न्यूमरेटर इज 1 एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3. सो इसको रैशनलाइज करना है. सो हियर ये इरेशनल फॉर्म में है, उसको रैशनल करना है. सो अभी हम लोग को पहले कॉन्जुगेट पेयर फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हियर हाउ टू फाइंड द कॉन्जुगेट पेयर. द कॉन्जुगेट पेयर ऑफ, सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर लेना है, रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3 एस. सो इसका कॉन्जुगेट पेयर क्या होगा, सेम नंबर रूट 5 एंड रूट 3, बट यहाँ पे माइनस है तो यहाँ पे होगा साइन प्लस. अगर सोचो कि यहाँ पे होता रूट 5 प्लस रूट 3, देन उसका कॉन्जुगेट पेयर रहेगा रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3. अगर माइनस है तो प्लस, प्लस है तो माइनस. So here already it is minus, so we are taking plus. So here multiply numerator and denominator by using this conjugate pair. So multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 plus root 3. Then the question is 1 by root 5 minus root 3, which is equal to, first write down this as it is, root 5 minus root 3, and here multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 plus root 3. Next, this numerator becomes 1 into root 5 plus root 3 equal to root 5 plus root 3 itself by यहाँ पे a minus b into a plus b. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So formula क्या होगा, a square minus b square. So here root 5 square minus root 3 square. So here numerator as it is root 5 plus root 3, and the denominator is square root of 5 का a square. ये square root and ये cancel हो जाएगा. root 5 into root 5 it becomes 5. Similarly root 3 into root 3 it becomes 3. So here root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So here 1 by root 5 minus root 3, which is equal to this one. So this type we have to rationalize the denominator of any fraction. So it completes our one example for the rationalization of the denominator. Next concept is, I hope everyone clearly understood how to rationalize the denominator. Next concept is absolute value. So absolute value, if x is a real number, then absolute value is written as this type. So इसको हम लोग क्या रीड करते हैं, मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x और एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो हम लोग उसको लिखते हैं दो लाइन और उसके बीच में x. सो इट इज़ अ रियल नंबर, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, वो माइनस हो, प्लस हो, ज़ीरो हो, वॉट एवर, सो और फ्रैक्शन एनीथिंग. सो यहाँ पे if it is a real number then absolute value is written as like this, and it is read as modulus of x or absolute value of x. So here कैसे find out करना है absolute value of any real number? For finding the absolute value there are three conditions. One is if x is greater than 0 means positive number रहेगा, so 1 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए, 1 2 3 ऐसा कुछ भी रहेगा पॉजिटिव नंबर, then absolute value is equal to x. So if x is positive then absolute value of x is x itself. Similarly if x equal to 0, अगर यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 0 रहा then उसका वैल्यू मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x becomes 0 itself. If x is 0 then absolute value of x is 0. Similarly if x is less than 0, minus साइन में आएगा, so negative numbers, then modulus of x equal to minus of x. If x is negative then its absolute value is opposite of x. So how to find this? I'll give one example. So if x equal to 3, so modulus of 3, so यहाँ पे 3 is positive number, so इस तरह, so greater than 0, then it becomes 3 itself. If here modulus equal to 0, so x equal to 0, then modulus of 0 equal to 0 itself. If here it is minus 3, x equal to less than 0 minus 3, then the value is minus of minus 3, so it becomes plus 3. So यहाँ पे ऑलवेज वैल्यू प्लस में ही आएगा, यहाँ पे माइनस हो या प्लस हो, बिकॉज उसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सो इफ वैल्यू इज 9 then here the value is 9, so 0 as it is 0. If it is minus 5 then मॉड्यूलस हम लोग निकालते टाइम क्या होगा, माइनस ऑफ माइनस 5, इट बिकम्स प्लस 5. सो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नंबर हो या पॉजिटिव नंबर, हम लोग को मॉड्यूलस निकालते टाइम उसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव में ही आना चाहिए, एंड ज़ीरो का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए, ज़ीरो ही रहना चाहिए. सो दिस टाइप वी आर going to find the value of absolute value or modulus of value of any number, and we are find the we are rationalize the denominator of any fraction. So based on this we are going to solve practice set 2.4 and 2.5. Let's start. Okay, practice set 2.4. First question is multiply. So here they gave some of the surds, so we have to multiply that and we have to simplify. So here first question is root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. So अभी ये root 3 जो है इसको ये दोनों नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So after that we have to simplify. So solution is root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 equal to, multiply this root 3 to both the numbers, so root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. So here root 3 into root 7 we can write in one root, so 3 into 7 minus here root 3 into root 3, so it becomes 3 itself. So here root 3 sevens are 21 minus 3. So therefore the answer, इसको हम लोग फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करेंगे. सो रूट 3 इंटू रूट 7 माइनस रूट 3 इक्वल टू रूट 21 minus 3. So it completes our question number 1. Next question number 2, it's also same as first one. Root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. Now multiply this root 2 to both the number. So here solution, root 5 minus root 7 into root 2 equal to root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into root 2. So here write it in one root. So 5 into 2 minus here 7 into 2. So here it becomes 5 2s are 10 minus 7 2s are 14. So therefore root 5 minus root 7 into root 2 equal to root 10 minus root 14. So it completes our question number 2. Next, last one, multiplication. Root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. अभी इसको कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? ये नंबर को ये दोनों के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड ये नंबर को ये दोनों के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So multiply 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो. So it becomes 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 3 into root 2. So simplify this. So here how to multiply? पहले ये दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करो, बाद में ये. So 4 3s are 12, root of 2 3s are 6 minus 3 root 2 2s are 4 minus 4 root 9 minus root 3 2s are 6. तो यहाँ पे 12 root 6 minus 3 into स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 is 2. यहाँ पे भी डायरेक्ट आप लोग 2 लिख सकते थे. माइनस 4 into 3 माइनस रूट 6. अभी ये रूट 6 जो है उसको साथ में लाना है. 12 root 6 minus root 6. So here minus 6 minus 12. So it becomes 12 minus 12 root 6 minus 1 root 6. It becomes, this is plus. So here 12 plus 1, it becomes 13 root 6. Here minus 6 and minus 12, it becomes minus 18. So this is the answer for the third multiplication. So it completes first question, that is multiply. Next we are going to find the rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So here first question is 1 by root 7 minus root 2. First find the conjugate pair. After that multiply this conjugate pair to numerator and denominator and simplify. So here solution, conjugate pair of root 7 minus root 2 is, so it becomes root 7 plus root 2. Now multiply this to the numerator and denominator. So it becomes 1 by root 7 minus root 2 equal to 1 by root 7 minus root 2 into root 7 plus root 2 by root 7 plus root 2. So here multiply this with the 1. So it becomes as it is root 7 plus root 2 by So here a minus b into a plus b a plus b formula. So root 7 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So it becomes root 7 plus root 2 by 7 minus 2. So here simplify 1 by root 7 minus root 2 equal to root 7 plus root 2 by 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So this is the answer. So it completes first question. Next move on to the second one. So here in the second one, 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So denominator is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So we have to find the conjugate pair first. So solution, conjugate pair of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now multiply this to the numerator and denominator. So it becomes 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 equal to 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So it becomes 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 in the numerator, and the denominator is a minus b into a plus b form. So 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. So here in the numerator, multiply this with the 3. So 3 2 is 6 root 5 प्लस ये 3 को हम लोग रूट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो प्लस 3 3 is 9 रूट 2. सो डिनोमिनेटर, सो 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4, 4 इंटू 5, सो रूट 5 का स्क्वायर इज 5 माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर 9 इंटू रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 2. सो इट बिकम्स 6 रूट 5 प्लस 9 root 2 by 4 5 is 20 minus 9 2 is 18. So further simplify 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 equal to 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 by 20 minus 18, which equal to 6 root 5 minus 9 root 2 by 20 minus 18 equal to 2. Now divide this 6 root 5 and 9 root 2 by the 2. So it becomes 6 root 5 by 2 minus plus 9 root 2 by 2. So here it becomes 2 1s are 2 3s are. So therefore 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 equal to 3 root 5 plus 9 root 2 by 2. So this is the solution. So next we are going to find the third one. So third one, 4 by 7 plus 4 root 3. So here find the conjugate pair. So conjugate pair of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. So question, 4 by 7 plus 4 root 3 which is equal to 4 by 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. So next it becomes 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. So multiply this 4 to both the number. 4 sevens are 28 minus 4 fours are 16 root 3 by 7 square is 49 minus 4 square is 16 into 3. So it becomes 28 minus 16 root 3 by 49 minus 16 into 3, it becomes 48. So here 28 minus 16 root 3 by 49 minus 48 is 1. So here question 4 by 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to 28 minus 16 root 3. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4. Next question is root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. So here conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is, so conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. So here multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 3. So here root 5 plus root 3, which is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. So here numerator root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. So it becomes root 5 minus root 3 whole square, and here in the denominator root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So numerator it becomes a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square by root 5 square is 5 minus root 3 square is 3. So here numerator is 5 minus 2 into root 15 plus 3 by 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So here 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 minus 2 root 15 by 2. So 8 by 2 minus 2 root 5. So root 15 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So here 2 ones are 2 ones are. So here question root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3 equal to 4 minus root 15. So it completes our question number 4 as well as practice set 2.4. Next we are going to find the 2.5 where we are going to find absolute value. So practice set 2.5. So here we are going to find the value of given absolute value of given mod. So here first question is modulus of 15 minus 2. So here solution mod 15 minus 2 which is equal to mod 15 minus 2 कितना है 13. So here inside the mod there is positive value, so उसका आंसर क्या रहेगा पॉजिटिव में ही रहेगा and that is 13. Next second one mod 4 minus 9. So here mod 4 minus 9. So inside the mod 4 minus 9 कितना होगा minus 5. So which we already know that. So इसको मॉडुलस से बाहर निकालेंगे तो 5 minus of minus 5 and it becomes plus 5. Similarly last one. So solution for this, mod 7 into mod minus 4 इज इक्वल टू mod 7 का यहाँ पे mod के अंदर +7 है, सो आंसर भी रहेगा 7 इंटू माइनस रहेगा तो भी वो mod के बाहर आते टाइम क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव, सो 4. सो 7 4 ज़ा 28. सो mod 7 इंटू mod minus 4 equal to 28. So it completes first question, that is find the value. Next we are going to solve the remaining 4 question based on this modulus. So question is mod 3x minus 5 equal to 1. So इसको कैसे simplify करना है, तो यहाँ पे x दिया है, we have to find the value of x. So solution is, so यहाँ पे modulus हम लोग को बाहर निकालना है, तो we are taking so root mod 3x minus 5 equal to 1. so here therefore हम लोग mod से बाहर निकालेंगे तो it becomes 3x minus 5 which is equal to maybe +1 or -1, प्लस और -1. तो पहले हमें +1 लेना है, दूसरा -1. so here we are taking 3x minus 5 equal to +1 और 3x minus 5 इक्वल टू -1. सो इसको दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, सो वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो हियर 3x minus 5 इक्वल टू 1 और -1. सो इट बिकम्स, सो 3x इक्वल टू 1 plus 5, take this -5 to this one, so it becomes +5. so 3x equal to 6. so x equal to 6 by 3. so 3 ones are 3 twos are, so therefore x equal to 2. Similarly here 3x equal to -1 plus 5. so 3x equal to 4. so x equal to 4 by 3. so here two value, one is x equal to 4 by 3, another one is x equal to 2. so therefore x equal to 2 or 4 by 3. So it completes our question number 1. Next move on to the question number 2. Second one is mod 7 minus 2x equal to 5. So here solution. So 7 minus 2x, अगर mod से बाहर निकालेंगे it may be plus or minus 5. So first take 7 minus 2x equal to plus 5 or 7 minus 2x equal to minus 5. so here keep this or take this minus 2x this side and 5 this side, so it becomes plus 2x equal to 7 minus 5. so 2x equal to 2. so x equal to 2 by 2. so here x equal to 1 or 2x equal to 7 plus 5. so 2x equal to 12. so x equal to 12 by 2. so 2 ones are 2 6 are, so x equal to 6. so here value is x equal to 1 or x equal to 6. Next move on to the third one. Third one is 8 minus x by 2 equal to 5. so here solution is, so here 8 minus x by 2 is plus or minus 5. so take plus 5 ones and minus 5. so it becomes 8 minus x equal to 5. 8 2 यहाँ पे जाएगा तो multiply. so 5 2s are 10. so x equal to 8 minus 10. so x equal to minus 2 or here 8 minus x equal to minus 10. so x equal to, take this to this side and this to this side, So it becomes plus and this becomes plus. So x equal to 8 plus 10. So x equal to 18. So therefore x value is minus 2 or 18. Next, last question. Modulus of 5 minus x by 4 equal to 5. So here take plus 5 or minus 5. So here in this one, take this 5 to this side. So x by 4 equal to 5 minus 5. So x by 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0. So 4 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. So here x by 4 equal to minus 5 minus 5. So x by 4 is equal to minus 10. So x equal to minus 10 into 4. So x equal to minus 40. So here x value is 0 or minus 40. So it completes our question number 4 as well as practice set 2.5. I hope everyone clearly understood this concept.